G'day and welcome to another edition of Adventure Tim. Today we're going to do something really cool and really exciting here in Adelaide. We're going to go axe throwing. Let's go.
Maniax was the first urban axe throwing company established in Australia. In 2014, it opened its doors in Sydney after the owner was inspired by this crazy activity he caught while on holiday in Canada. Light bulb. Today, Maniax has locations in all major capital cities, including here in Adelaide, which opened in mid-2020. Anyone can learn how to throw an axe, but if you want to take part at Maniax, you must wear enclosed sole shoes, and you can't pick up an axe if you're under the influence of drugs or alcohol.
When you're picking up your axes today, please make sure you pick them up by the taped handle at the bottom, okay? Don't go grabbing them by the blade. That's the sharp end. When you're removing your axe from the target today, please do so with two hands, standing on the side of the axe, and just levering it up like so, okay? If you're grabbing it with one hand and standing in front of it, pulling it straight out towards yourself, there's a really good chance you're going to hit yourself in the face. Broken teeth and black eyes aren't super attractive, and we really don't like our customers to leave here with any sort of facial injuries. I'm going to line up my shot by sighting down my arm and using my fist to point at where I want the axe to land in the target. We do this because gravity. If you're pointing with the axe head, after you throw it, it's going to land on the ground. From there, what I'm going to do is bring the axe back behind my head with a nice firm grip with both my hands, and I'm going to touch between my shoulder blades. I'm going to set that shot up, bring it back behind, nice big step, and release it straight into the timber.
There are 3 axes to choose from: small, medium, and large.
Starting off with this, the medium size axe here.
That's like that. One thing that we can do...
So kids, what do you think about how Mum's doing?
She's doing okay.
This is your one. Oh, another bullseye. How you feeling about doing axe throwing for the first time today? All right. All right, see ya.
Oh, that's 2 kids.
The large axe is the most forgiving to beginners. For many people, it's the easiest to throw.
Hey! On the board! That's it, let's go home now. Whoa!
Oh my goodness, that's his fifth.
I love this sweet beast.
The trickiest one to master is the small axe.
Here we go, mate. This is the one that I've sucked at so far, the little itty bitty axe. I'll do 2 rotations before it hits the board, and it hasn't been kind to me yet. Alright, so I'm going to try with 2 fingers on the bottom of the axe. Lick it. Oh!
Yeah, he hit it. Yeah.
See if I can get, I just want to get a bullseye with this one. I'll make one day.
But unfortunately, it was not to be.
So what do you guys think of axe throwing?
Actually, it's a lot of fun.
Is it
I really enjoy enjoyed it. I totally sucked at it though. But hey, that's all right. That's part of the game.
Hey, well, that was heaps and heaps of fun. We've had a blast here today at Maniax Axe Throwing. If you're ever in town, make sure you check it out. You will have tons of fun too, I can guarantee that. Hey, thanks for watching today. Hope you've enjoyed this video, and if you have, make sure you give it a big old thumbs up or even hit that subscribe button. And if you want to find out some more awesome stuff that you can do here in South Australia, make sure you click on this video over here and you'll see some more great stuff that you can do around Adelaide and the surrounds here in beautiful South Australia. As always, thanks for watching, and until next time, see you later.